Hey everyone, Tachuak here. Welcome to a brand new challenge that's all about something we use every single day. Keyboards. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing the web, your keyboard is your trusty sidekick. But how much do you really know about it? Today, we're going to find out. Today, we're shaking things up with a keyboard basics quiz. This isn't just any quiz. It's designed to test your knowledge on everything from the history of keyboards to the shortcuts that can save you tons of time. Whether you're a beginner just getting comfortable with your first computer, or a seasoned pro who can type with your eyes closed, this is your chance to see how much you really know about the keys beneath your fingertips. I'll ask 10 multiple-choice questions. Grab a pen and paper to track your score. Don't worry if you don't get them all right. This is all about learning and having fun. Jot down your answers and see how you stack up at the end. We'll cover shortcuts, key functions, keyboard layouts, and even a few surprising facts you might not know. You might discover a new trick or two to make your computer life easier. No pressure, just a fun way to sharpen your computer skills and maybe impress your friends or co-workers with your keyboard wizardry. Ready? Let's see if you're a true keyboard wizard. Take a deep breath, get comfortable, and prepare to put your knowledge to the test. Let's jump into the first question and kick off our keyboard adventure. Question 1. Which key combo copies selected text or files? Your options: A. Ctrl plus V, B. Ctrl plus C, C. Ctrl plus X, D. Ctrl plus Z. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is B. Ctrl C, C for copy. Ctrl plus V is paste, Ctrl plus X is cut, Ctrl plus Z is undo. If you picked B, you're off to a great start. On to the next one. Question 2 is all about a key you might use every day, but may not have realized just how handy it is. Let's take a closer look at the top row of your keyboard, where the function keys live. These keys often have special powers in different programs, and today we're focusing on one in particular, F5. So what exactly does the F5 key do in most web browsers? If you've ever found yourself staring at a web page that just won't update, you might have reached for this key without even thinking about it. Here are your options. A. Open a new tab. B. Refresh the page. C. Close the browser. Or D. Save the page. Take a moment to consider which action you use most when you want to see the latest version of a website. Think about that top row of keys. Each one has a unique function, but F5 is especially useful when browsing the internet. The answer is B. Refresh page. Pressing F5 instantly reloads your current web page, making sure you see the most up-to-date content. It's a quick fix for stuck pages, or when you're waiting for new information to appear. For comparison, Ctrl plus T opens a brand new tab for you to start fresh. Alt plus F4 closes your browser window entirely, and Ctrl plus S lets you save the current page to your computer. Each shortcut has its own purpose, but F5 is your go-to for refreshing. Did you get it right? If so, you're 2 for 2. Let's keep the momentum going and move on to the next question. Question 3. Which group of keys moves the cursor in a document? A. Function keys. B. Navigation keys. C. Modifier keys. D. Number keys. The answer is B. Navigation keys, arrow keys, home, end, page, up, down. They're all about moving around quickly. Let's move on. Question 4. What does the S key do? A. Start program. B. Exit cancel. C. Save file. D. Print document. The answer is B. Exit or cancel an operation. It's your go-to for closing pop-ups or stopping actions. Enter starts things. Ctrl plus S saves. Ctrl plus P prints. ESC is your digital escape hatch. Next up. Question 5. Which is a modifier key? A. Enter. B. Shift. C. Spacebar. D. Tab. Modifier keys change the function of other keys. The answer is B. Shift. It turns it into A and more. Ctrl, Alt, and Command are also modifiers. The others perform direct actions. Let's keep going. Question 6. What's the shortcut for pasting? A. Ctrl plus P. B. Ctrl plus V. C. Ctrl plus S. D. Ctrl plus X. The answer is B. Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus P prints. Ctrl plus S saves. Ctrl plus X cuts. V is right next to C, and it's easy to remember. Moving on. Question 7. Where is the number pad on a full-size keyboard? A. Left. B. Top. C. Right. D. Center. The answer is C. Right side. That's the dedicated section for quick number entry. Next question. Question 8. What does caps lock do? A. Types numbers. B. Types all letters uppercase. C. Deletes text. D. Moves cursor. The answer is B. Types all letters in uppercase. It's a toggle. Press once for caps, again to turn off. Backspace deletes. Navigation keys move the cursor. Let's keep going. Question 9. Which shortcut undoes your last action? A. Ctrl plus U. B. Ctrl plus Z. C. Ctrl plus Y. D. Ctrl plus A. The answer is B. Ctrl Z, your digital undo button. Ctrl plus Y is redo. Ctrl plus A selects all. Ctrl plus U underlines. Ctrl plus Z saves the day. Final question coming up. Final question. What are the arrow keys mainly used for? A. Typing letters. B. Moving the cursor. C. Opening menus. D. Saving files. The answer is B. Moving the cursor, whether in text, spreadsheets, or games. They're the heart of navigation. That's it for the quiz. That's a wrap on this quiz session. You've just completed a round of questions designed to test your tech knowledge and maybe even teach you something new along the way. Whether you breezed through or found a few tricky spots, you made it to the end, and that's what counts. Now take a moment to tally up your score. How did you do? Did you surprise yourself with how much you remembered? Or did you discover a few areas you want to brush up on? Maybe you aced every question, or maybe a couple of them left you scratching your head. Either way, every attempt is a step forward in learning. I'd love to hear how you did. Drop your score in the comments below. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone. We're all here to learn and grow together. Let me know which questions you found the most challenging, or if there was a particular topic you'd like to see covered in future quizzes. Your feedback helps shape what comes next. If you enjoyed this quiz and want to keep sharpening your tech skills, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. There's plenty more tech basics, tips, and tutorials coming your way. Thanks so much for watching and playing along with me today. Your participation makes these quizzes so much more fun. I appreciate you being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.